Standing as the last of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, the Great Pyramid of Giza has guarded its secrets for over 4,500 years. Built for the Pharaoh Khufu, this mountain of stone was constructed with over 2 million blocks, each weighing several tons. For centuries, explorers and archaeologists believed they had mapped every inch of its interior, from the narrow descending passage to the majestic Grand Gallery and the King's Chamber. We thought the book on the Great Pyramid was closed. We were wrong. In 2015, an international mission named ScanPyramids began a journey into the unknown. But they didn't use shovels or dynamite, they used the stars. By utilizing a cutting-edge technology called muon tomography, scientists were able to see through the solid rock. Muons are subatomic particles that constantly rain down from space, passing through almost everything. However, they are absorbed by thick stone. By measuring where these particles passed through and where they didn't, a team of researchers from Japan, France, and Egypt saw something that shouldn't be there: a massive, empty space stretching at least 30 meters long, suspended directly above the Grand Gallery. The discovery of the Big Void sent shockwaves through the scientific community. But the big question remains: why is it there? One fascinating theory comes from the French architect Jean-Pierre Houdin. He suggests the pyramid was built from the inside out, using an internal spiral ramp. According to this theory, the Big Void might not be a secret room, but a massive internal corridor used to transport the heavy granite beams to the King's Chamber. Once the work was done, the ramp was simply left there, hidden behind the outer casing. But if this is just a construction feature, why is it so precisely located? And why hasn't any other pyramid shown a similar structure? The mystery deepened in early 2023. Scientists focused on a smaller void near the pyramid's entrance. Using an endoscope camera just 5 millimeters wide, they managed to peek inside for the first time. They discovered a hidden corridor 9 meters long with a gabled ceiling. This was the first time in centuries that human eyes saw a new part of the pyramid's internal structure. This discovery proved that the muon scans were accurate, increasing the possibility that the Big Void is not just a gap, but a chamber designed to hold something of immense value. Could there be more corridors leading to the pharaoh's true, untouched treasures? Some maverick archaeologists suggest that the King's Chamber we visit today is actually a decoy. They believe the Pharaoh Khufu was buried elsewhere, perhaps in a secret room hidden within the Big Void, to protect his body from tomb robbers. For 4,500 years, the Great Pyramid has played a game of hide-and-seek with humanity. Today, with the help of artificial intelligence and robotics, we're on the verge of winning that game. A new generation of drones and inflatable robots is being designed to explore these voids without damaging a single stone. We are standing on the threshold of a discovery that could rewrite the history of ancient Egypt. What do you believe is hidden inside the Big Void? Is it a lost library of knowledge or simply a masterpiece of ancient engineering? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into history's hidden chronicles, hit the like button and subscribe for more mysteries of the ancient world. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next chronicle.